This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. Today, you will learn the ins and outs of the notification channel node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The notification channel node connects with Catenis and receives notification messages for a given event. A few examples of these events include when a device receives a message, when a device receives an asset, and when a sent message is read, among others. Name the node using the name field and set a Catenis virtual device in the connection field. The Event drop-down menu has several different options for types of events that you can receive notifications for. Select the New Message Received option to generate a notification when the configured device receives a new message. Select the Sent Message Read option to generate a notification when a sent message is read by the intended receiver. Select the Asset Received option to generate a notification when the configured device receives an asset from another device. Select the Asset Confirmed option to generate a notification when a pending asset transfer is confirmed. Select the Final Message Progress option to generate a notification when the progress of asynchronous message processing comes to an end. Now, let's take a look at the example found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the notification channel mode. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. Note that the target device of the Send Message node should be the same as the configured device of the Notification Channel node. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own. In the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Note that inputs injected into this node via a JSON object containing alternate node properties will override the properties set on this node's slide-out properties panel. Great! Now you should understand notification channel nodes. In our next video, you'll learn how to use the notification channel node.